Jeju Air Flight 7C-2216, South Korea's deadliest air crash. Jeju Air Flight 7C-2216 crashed Sunday, marking a tragic day for South Korean aviation history. The crash is South Korea's deadliest, raising concerns over aviation safety measures and protocols. Rescue teams worked tirelessly at the crash site, searching for survivors and vital black box data. Grieving families gather as investigations begin to uncover the causes behind this devastating accident. South Korea faces aviation scrutiny as officials promise thorough investigations into the tragic incident. Stay informed with the latest updates by subscribing to our channel.